Welcome, amazing ladies and gorgeous women. A video today. I have got an exciting video that's all about fantastic short haircuts. Get ready to be amazed by these pixie haircut ideas that are sure to win your heart. So, ladies and the men, let's dive into a world of stunning hairstyles. Are you ready for some inspiration? This year, we are showcasing the hottest trends in short haircuts just for you. These styles are carefully designed to leave a lasting impression, making you feel confident and absolutely I'm sorry if you hear any background noise, please bear with me, and I promise it will not decrease the enjoyment of this video. Ladies, get ready to witness the beauty and elegance of these short haircuts. Each style is a work of art, meant to make you fall in love. From sleek and sophisticated, this collection has something for everyone. Just picture the shine, sophistication, and sheer elegance of these hairstyles. They are designed to make you feel like a fashion icon. These ideas will take your style game to new heights, giving you confidence and grace. Embrace some of the most stunning short haircuts you have ever laid your eyes upon. Whether it is grayish, whitish, blackish or brownish colors, these magnificent colors can enhance these hairstyles. The right hair color has the power to transform your look, adding depth and dimension to your haircut. These carefully chosen shades are meant to complement your unique characteristics. Prepare to be amazed by the transformation. These short haircuts can take years of your appearance, giving you a fresh and youthful look. Watch the magic as your hair goes from ordinary to extraordinary. You will be amazed by the impact these hairstyles can create. We want to apologize for any background noise and the occasional language barrier. Our main goal is to provide you with an entertaining and visually appealing fashion video. Your support and feedback means a lot to us. Unleash your fashionista with these stylish short haircuts. Whether you are into a chicken sophisticated bob or trendy pixie cut, this video offers endless inspiration. These hairstyles are all about making a statement and showcasing your unique sense of style. If you enjoyed this video and want for more fantastic haircut ideas, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. By subscribing, you will get notification whenever I release new content, ensuring that you never miss out on any of the latest trends and hairstyles. So hit that subscribe button and become a part of our community of fabulous ladies and stunning women. Thank you for watching this video, ladies and women. Your support means the world to me, and I'm thrilled to have shared these amazing short haircut ideas with you. And until we met again, may you remain fabulous and continue to shine brightly. Also keep watching my videos. See you in the next video.